Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I am going to be doing a review on this oil sprayer I got over a year ago and tell you why you need this in your kitchen. So I used to use this to spray oil and this thing always got clogged up. It's plastic, so I don't know how great that was. And it was just a mess. And someone recommended that I get this oil sprayer. And I'll tell you, I love this thing. I don't know why I waited so long to get an oil sprayer. This is very inexpensive and it's a must-have in your kitchen. So I like to know what I'm putting into my food. With these spray bottles, I can put whatever oil I want inside and I know what's going into my food. So I have a couple of these. I put olive oil in one and then I put avocado oil in one when I want to cook things on high heat. So let me show you how this sprays. First, has a little spray. You can just push this and it sprays. If you want to have more oil, if you're deep frying something or you need more, you pop this open and then you can just pour it out. And I'll show you closely how that works. Okay, so here's my cast iron pan. Hope you guys can see the spray. And if you want to pour more oil in, you'll pop this open and pour. Pretty handy. I have never had it clog up. It works really well. Promise you it works a lot better than something like this. And you know what's going in your food. So I recommend you grab a few of these for your home. Pretty amazing.